Hello everyone, we are going to play a matching game using fractions. Each fraction has two pieces. One shows the number like 2 over 3. The other shows a picture with parts colored in. Your job is to match them.
Hello, my name is Leah. I am student grade 2. This one is 4 over 6. Which one is correct? This one. This one is 5 over 8. Which one is correct? This one.
Hello, my name is Naz. I am student grade 2. This one is 2 over 9. Which one is correct? This one. This one is 1 over 5. Which one is correct? This one.
My name is Livan. I'm student grade 2. Number is the 3 over 4. This one. This one, 1 over 4. This one.
Hello, my name is Mina. I'm student of grade 2. This is 3 over 7. Which one is correct? This one. This is 2 over 3. Which one is correct? This one. This is 1 over 2. Which one is correct? This one.